In this video, we will show you how to install a solid surface worktop and talk you through the items in the Unica Solid Surface Installation Kit. Unica has been manufacturing colored adhesives and worktop installation products for over 25 years. We supply the bulk of large kitchen manufacturers and distributors across Europe. All products have been tested to ISO quality standards, and we offer a technical support helpline for installers. If you need further assistance, call 0191 259 7876. Unica Solid Surface Installation Kit is suitable for use with solid acrylic and polyester worktops, and also composite worktops which have a chipboard core and solid top. The Unica Composite Installation Kit includes everything you will need to successfully install a composite worktop. Before you start, you need to check you have the right equipment. Unica worktop jig and pegs, a random orbital sander, biscuit jointer, quick release clamps, a router with minimum 1600 watts capability, a 30mm guide bush, a 12.7mm router cutter with 50mm cut length, and the Unica Solid Surface Installation Kit. For composite worktops, mitre the worktop and cut biscuit and bolt slots ready for installation. Use alcohol wipes to clean the joint and allow to dry. ColorSeam is a revolutionary two-component, color-matched adhesive to joint and edge solid surface worktops. There are a wide range of colors to match all solid surface worktops. Quick small batch production for special colors. Available in 3 sizes: 50ml, 100ml and 250ml. Excellent UV resistance. Smooth Cure technology, which is a very smooth cure with no air bubbles. Thicker viscosity makes it cleaner for fitters and also gives a stronger bond for end caps. Apply ColorSeam around one side of the worktop joint. Apply also to the biscuit slots before putting the biscuits in place. Notice that ColorSeam has no air bubbles, and with a thicker consistency, it is less likely to drip and cause a mess. Bring the joint together and tighten the easy bolts. Apply a second continuous bead of adhesive to the top edge of the joint to ensure there are no gaps or air pockets. ColorSeam has a 10-minute open time. Allow the adhesive to cure to a hard rubber consistency. This will take 30 minutes. Use a random orbital sanding machine and 3 grades of sandpaper in order to blend the seam back to a flat finish. Complete the sanding process with a maroon abrasive pad, followed by a grey abrasive pad. Finish with a white pad and solid surface rejuvenate. Finally, clean down with a soft cloth and solid surface worktop cleaner. As you can see, the adhesive has matched perfectly, creating a seamless joint. For solid surface worktops, the joint can be butt jointed. No need for bolts or jointing biscuits, just ColorSeam and a leveling tool. Then it is sanded and finished in the same way as the composite to give a seamless finish. 2 other important items in this kit are the heat-reflective tape and sheet. Both are necessary to protect the worktop. The heat-resistant tape will protect worktop hob cutouts from radiant heat. The heat-resistant sheet will protect the worktop underside from heat from dishwashers, washing machines and other appliances. To go through the cleaners in more detail, Solid Surface Rejuvenate is available in a 500ml or 250ml bottle. It will remove minor scratches and leave the worktop as good as new. Solid Surface Rejuvenate contains mild abrasive particles which, when coupled with a white nylon pad, will buff up the work surface. Used to renovate your top when it becomes scratched and dull. Solid Surface Daily Worktop Cleaner is a specialist ready-to-use everyday cleaner. It will tackle grease and grime and leave it with a smear-free finish. The Unica Solid Surface Installation Kit includes everything a fitter will need to install a composite or solid surface worktop.